Buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what can gather. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall. It's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you want to go? Where it's covered in all kind of lies, where the runaways are running the night. Impossible comes true, it's taking over you.
Hi, Mommy. Happy 60th birthday. You don't even look 60. Diba? Sabi nila, mukha ka daw 50.
Hi, Mom. Happy 50th birthday. Ay, 60 pala. I'm just happy na you finally decided to celebrate your 60th birthday. And as your daughter, I'm just so proud to be your daughter. Know that marami nagmamahal sa'yo.
Sana marami pang birthday ang dumaan sa'yo.
And I hope you enjoy your special day because you're the star of the night.
Thank you for everything you've done for me and for our family. We appreciate you. You're beautiful. You're fabulous.
I love you so much, Mommy. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sister Guy! God bless you!
More life and more strength and continually blessing to comes to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Guy!
Siyempre, tita kong maganda. More birthdays to come. And God bless you po.
Habang tumatanda tayo, edad lang yan. What is important, we're growing with the word of the Lord. Tayo'y lumalaki at lumalago ang pananampalataya natin.
So let's bind the memories that we have by raising our glass to our dear celebrant, Guy Munoz.
Happy 60th birthday, Lola Guy. We love you so. We love you lang.
Pwede cut-cut nyo na lang.
May you have many more birthdays to come.
Stay healthy po.
Happy birthday, Tita Guy!
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie Guy. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday, Ma'am Guy. We love you. Ang bonus! Happy birthday, Guy!
All the best!
Napakaganda mo ngayon talaga. Naging speechless tuloy ako sa'yo.
Masaya ako para sa'yo. You deserve this party.
Wishing you more years of good health, joy, exciting travels, and beautiful blessings with your loved ones. Love you, sister.